Alright, good afternoon po sa inyo lahat mga kabayan. This is Jerry Domingo, Specialty Finance Manager, owner ng Pinoy Car Talk sa Facebook and sa Instagram. So it's 2:17 in the afternoon today. We are here in Edmonton, Alberta, doing a Facebook Live as per special request ng ating kliyente na si Kuya Nick ng Alberta. Kuya Nick saw yung mga videos ko sa Facebook and online ng mga iba't ibang sasakyan na binili sa akin ng mga kliyente ko, and he wanted to get a family vehicle for his family. And actually, ang pumili nito is his wife and his kids. So, as you guys know naman, I always get my clients approved first for the loan. So, naaprubahan ko sila Kuya Nick na isang araw kahapon lang actually, naaprubahan ko sila. And here we are looking at the vehicle na him and his family picked out. Guys, you've seen me sell this before, and I'm really happy na more and more of you guys are seeing just how good of a vehicle this is. This is the 2020 Subaru Ascent in the Premier Edition, meaning this is the fully loaded top of the line version. So yung nabenta natin at the beginning of the month was the same thing, Premier Edition. That was a black one. Ito naman kulay blue as per request ni Kuya Nick tsaka ng family niya. So let's do a quick walk around for them. So Kuya Nick, I'm not sure if you're at home watching or you're at work, but here it is, right? Share mo na kina misis mo, sa mga anak mo, na ito na yung magiging bago yung family vehicle. So let's take a quick walk around, guys. So just like yung early in the month, it was black. Ito naman kulay blue. Sa inyo pagka-blue niya, hindi nga na siya kumikinang na kulay blue kasi madilim dito sa Edmonton ngayon. Uulan pa lang, simula pa lang yung ulan. Kaya sabi ko gagawin ko na yung video ngayon. So Kuya Nick, so if you're watching, you can see there yung kanyang chrome trim, of course, right? The LED headlights tsaka yung fog lamps niya. So just like all Subaru Ascents, this runs on a 2.5 liter turbocharged engine, not a V6, right? Which makes the ride, parang sabi nga ng clients ko na sina Ate Maria, makes the ride more comfortable daw, tsaka mas mabilis yung kanyang pag-arangkada compared sa mga V6 na mga SUV, right? So let's take a walk around here. You can see the nice alloy rims, the chrome cover here, which is standard sa mga Premier Edition, turn signal lights. So malinis yung katawan. Well, detail pa natin yan. So para lang makita ni Kuya Nick, tsaka ng family niya. All season tires po yan on the alloy rims. Ayan yung likuran niya. Of course, Subaru all-wheel drive, as you guys know. You got the backup camera there and yung backup sensors niya. So nasa likod na rin tayo. Let's start here. You got the power lift gate. The seats fold down, parang yung ating nauna yung itim. So para sa mga di nakakaalam, on the Premier trim level, ito po yung configuration niya, captain seats, right? And I'm gonna pull the seats up para makita niyo yung space. Really easy. Ngayon lang siya. Let's take this off. Yun yung carpet mats. So 60-40 split, that can go down by itself. Sabihin natin meron kayong bibilihin sa IKEA or whatnot, di mo kailangan yung space, ito lang, pwede mong ganyan lang din. Ito na, mahahatak mo rin siya. So you got the nice, luxurious brown leather. And again, parang pinakita ko nga before, you got speakers here. You got a lot of speakers all around the system, and this is the Harman Kardon na sound system na gamit ng Subaru sa mga top of the line models sila. And parang sabi nga ni Kuya Nick, yung mga anak niya is going into the teenage years na. So you got, it's a nice family vehicle kasi meron siyang USB ports for charging over here, right? Ayan yung ating sound system, so you guys can see Harman Kardon. Let's put that in there. So storage space. So not bad yung storage space niya for a 7-seater captain seats na vehicle, right? I've seen a lot smaller storage space wise in the past. So this is actually a really good configuration. You got even more storage here. And yung tonneau cover mo, if ever na ayaw mong gamitin yung seats sa likuran. Power lift gate right there. So punta naman tayo sa middle row. See, again, you got the nice brown leather interior. You got the handrest dito for both passengers. O, di ba? Kung ang mga anak may mga teenagers na or going into the teen years or maybe they're just bigger kids, right? This is a lot more comfortable for them kumpara sa bench style na upuan. But a lot of manufacturers reserve yung captain seats configuration para sa mga higher trim level na sasakyan. So in this case, in the Premier, meron siyang captain seats. The good thing with the Subaru Ascent, itong option na na captain seats, meron din sila sa mid-trim, which is the touring. So you do get a choice of captain seats or bench. Pero yun nga, para sabi ko nga sa inyo, if you have a lot of kids and your kids live with you and they're only getting older, right? The captain seats is a great option for them. Mas may enjoy nila, mas komportable sila during the trip. You got more charging ports over here. You got heated seats sa middle row, right? Ayan pa, may speakers pa dyan. You get the nice sunshade. Oh, meron ka nyan. Oh, diba? Cup holders. The nice wood grain finish here, right? So this in combination with the beige and the combination with the brown, it just looks very luxurious, diba? Let's go look on the driver's side. Aray ko. Ayan. So Kuya Nick, I hope you're watching. Ito yung request mo na color, ito yung itsura niya. Ito yung mismo ng sasakyan. Guys, that's why I always tell you guys, pag video ako ng sasakyan, it's always gonna be the exact same car you're gonna get. So walang bait and switch, walang palitan ng unit. Kung ano yung nakita nyo sa video, yun ang makukuha mo kasi yung unit na yon ay para sa iyo na. Kaya po hindi ako nagpo-post ng videos na this is for sale. I always do videos para sa mga kliyente ko na ito na yung sasakyan nila, approved na sila, right? So let's go inside here. Let's turn this down. And then turn down natin yung ating aircon, masyado malakas. Low fuel warning, hindi pa nalagyan ng gas. So Kuya Nick, as you can see, there 21 kilometers as of today. Ayan ang kanyang remote. Push button start din siya. So just like all high trim level vehicles, you have all the safety features na meron ng sasakyan. You got the Subaru Ascent technology, which is over here, right? So these cameras here, Kuya Nick, they provide yung sasakyan mo with the lane departure warning, the adaptive cruise control and all that stuff, right? Mounted yan dito. You also get the heated steering wheel, heated seats for driver and passenger over here, heated and ventilated. So pag summer, gusto mo malamig yung upuan mo, pwede itong gamitin mo. Pag winter, gusto mo mainit ang upuan mo, itong gagamitin mo. Low fuel warning, ignore. So you get Sirius XM radio for the first 3 months, I believe. Just wanted to show this as well, Kuya Nick. Yan ang kanyang backup camera right there. O RAB means rear assist braking. So pag nag-backup ka at meron kang maaring tamaan, automatically magbe-brake yung sasakyan para sa'yo. Same thing you see here, you see the parking sensors nakalagay on. And the nice thing with these high-end vehicles is, sasabihin niya sa'yo kung umaandar yung mga safety features mo. So if you look here, Kuya Nick, no? If you look over there, press ko lang to, date and time. So yan. So you can see, habang nag-drive ka, you can see kung naka-engage yung mga safety system mo, right? So right now it's telling you na naka-on yung camera, yung sa yung sa eyesight technology naka-on siya. Yung kanyang rear yung braking. So basta naka-green na ganyan, nakita mo, ibig sabihin naka-engage yung safety systems mo. Front view monitor, high beam assist, eye assist monitor, rear vehicle detection. So lahat ng safety systems na yan, meron yung sasakyan na to. Again, because this is the premier trim level, guys, the top of the line edition for the Subaru Ascent. It even gives you a description kung ano yung mga technology na yon. So it's right there, provides cross traffic view in front of the vehicle, right? If you go down here, high beam assist, automatically operates. So it goes on and on. Diba? So if you're thinking safety, meron tong sasakyan na to, lahat ng modern safety features ng isang sasakyan, meron siya. And of course, hindi makakalimutan yung ating magandang panoramic na sunroof. staple ng mga high-end trim levels, the panoramic sunroof. Diba? Napakagandang kasakyan. And gaya nga nasabi ko sa past video ko, before you jump on the 4Runner, the Highlander, the Pathfinder, the Telluride, the Palisade, you know, consider this option right here. Most of those vehicles that I named, nasa mga 55,000 pataas. This one here significantly cheaper compared to those models, right? But at the same time, it offers you all the luxury features na maaari mong gustuhin. Diba? Perforated leather, brown leather, right? And guys, Subaru is a internationally recognized brand. It's a Japanese brand, right? Really good ranking in the world. So hindi po siya pipitsugin, right? Programmable driver seats, of course. Yan yung mga features, pwede mong i-turn on, turn off. Pwede mong i-turn off yung rear alert, right? Traction control, pwede mong i-turn off. All these customizable features right here. Auto vehicle hold. And you got yung X mode when it comes to driving. So yan nga siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. When you turn on the X mode. So it helps with the torque control habang nagda-drive ka, yung distribution ng all-wheel drive ng sasakyan mo, that's what it's for. I'm looking for a more basic explanation, no? Trying to simplify it. It's a bit hard to simplify, but there you go. Digital speedometer, di ba? So lahat ng hahanapin mo sa sasakyan, nandito na. And hindi mo kinakailangan gumastos ng 60,000 pataas. Alam, nahulog ko yung susi niya dito eh. So kung gusto niyo makita yung loob, yung kanyang makina, sorry, nabangga yung aking camera. So definitely a great family vehicle in my opinion, no. And of course, all the people na nabentahan ko nito, guys, wala pang reklamo, happy sila sa sasakyan nila. Diba? Let's look. So ito yung configuration niya sa loob. There you go. So Kuya Nick ng Alberta and family, congratulations on picking this vehicle. Gaya nga nasabi ko sa inyo, sabi ko sa inyo lahat, no, once na pre-approve ko na kayo guys, na-approve ko na kayo, hindi mo na kinakailangan pumunta ng Toyota, hindi mo na kinakailangan pumunta ng Honda, hindi mo na kinakailangan pumunta ng Nissan, hindi mo kinakailangan ipatadtad yung credit mo. Once ma-aprubahan ko na po kayo, kahit anong brand na gusto mo, pwede kong kunin para sa'yo. Para that way, isang inquiry, dalawang inquiry lang, ako lang ang gagawa. Hindi mo kinakailangan pumunta sa 3 dealership at magkakaroon ng 9 na inquiry sa credit profile mo. So Kuya Nick, congratulations on your brand new 2020 Subaru Ascent Premier. I am looking forward to taking this to you guys. Very happy for you. You made a great choice. And para po sa mga ibang kliyente natin who are possibly looking at switching yung kanilang mga sakyan this summer or any other season, right? And you're looking for a family vehicle, especially if your kids are growing, definitely consider the Subaru Ascent as your next family vehicle. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna get back to the office now, and I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow.